What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Are y'all ready to eat with me today? Because today I got some air fried lemon pepper wings fresh out the air fryer. This is my first time making wings in the air fryer, and I'm kind of excited because I didn't have to fry them. So that makes me happy because I've been trying to eat a little light. And I love me some chicken wings, and I am tired of eating fried food. So I felt like the air fryer would be the perfect thing. Let's dig right into it because I'm hungry. It's hot. And I made these. Let me see. I marinated them last night. And I made these like 20 minutes ago, and they still So how's everybody's day today? Hot. These are so fresh. Paper towel. I don't like when my hands get messy. Got me some celery. Let me get some ranch though, because I'm not gonna eat this without ranch. Oh, let me some ranch. I can't even eat my chicken wings without ranch, but right now I'm just, let me see, let me try. Y'all, I never had an air fryer before. This is my first time making wings in the air fryer. It was an anniversary gift for me. My sweetheart bought it for me for her 4-year anniversary. I've been wanting one for so long. Everybody got one. I'm like, dang, I really want one. First thing I thought about was chicken, because I love chicken wings. And these don't even take long in there. Like, I like them extra crispy, so I put them a little bit longer, but they only need like 20 minutes in there. Probably not even that. I'm gonna try the celery. I mean, I know what celery tastes like, but I love celery and ranch. Cold. That celery's cold. I like my Christmas background. Y'all see me and my sweetheart. He got me that picture frame for my birthday. It's so sweet. You always give me little stuff. Like, I appreciate little things, like simple things. And every time he give me a gift, I be so in love because it's just the thought. The thought of him saying, oh, she might like this. And getting it just makes my heart melt. I'm sorry for the sloppy eating and smacking. That went blowing hard today. Some of these I reheated from last night. I can't even tell which ones they are. Our air fryer ain't no joke. Because I made these last night. I'm like, let me save some for tomorrow. So I left them marinating in the seasonings and stuff. I'm like, fry these boys up in the air fryer. Okay, so hey, I seasoned this with, of course, lemon pepper. What else? I like flats better. Everybody likes drums. I think a lot of people like flats though. I just gotta go for the flats. Hot. That's why I'm eating like that. This boy's hot. But I was saying season this with, what I use? A little bit of garlic salt. Adobo seasoning. The red one. It has pepper in it. I didn't even need much. I had made a TikTok cooking them, but somebody decides to comment that they look bland. I'm like, oh no, my food is far from bland. I usually always over-season my food. But this particular time, unbeknownst to them, I decided to lightly season them for the air frying purposes. And they're lemon pepper wings, like, that's really all you need. Besides background seasoning. Anyway, who else started Christmas shopping last minute? I know I did. We always do. And it always works out because that's when we find the best stuff. I don't know what it is. When we go Christmas shopping last minute, we always find the best stuff. The kids end up loving everything. Sorry. I know I'm going a little crazy. But I literally waited all day to eat. But anyway, so for those of you that don't know, I have 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. Her name is Ariel. And she's my little princess, but I have a 3-year-old. I'm gonna start with my oldest, a 9-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 2-year-old. The reason I started with my 3-year-old is because he is the one that is the handful the most. Like, whoa, what is that? It look a little scary. I don't know if that part of the bone is, but it looks a little scary to me. I always try to do a video around their nap time, knowing they're never going to take a nap. That right there is literally sabotage. My 2-year-old is back there crying. But it's okay, because their dad about to be on his way home early from work, so I can finish last minute Christmas shopping. He does this every time. Emilio, come here, baby. These are still hot. There goes Milo, my dog. Milo, it's okay. Calm down. Y'all tripping today again. You wanna get in trouble, baby? Why you don't never take your nap? I'm getting time out. Yeah, you wanna get in time out? Exactly. Mommy busy. Want some more? Yeah, mommy busy. It's hot. Woo. It's so hot. This thing ain't no joke. And I think he got ours, well, my air fryer from Maya. I'm sorry, I'm hungry. I'm in savage mode right now. I hear how crispy they are. Hands down, crispiest wings I've had. And these aren't even fried. Like, what? Not with grease, at least. Oh, I was saying, what did I... I don't even know. Oh, I think I don't know if I finished telling y'all what I seasoned it with. These are so small. I might finish all these wings. I had put lemon pepper, adobo seasoning, what? Oh, I don't know. Lemon pepper, adobo seasoning, I think that's it. And they still taste flavored. Like, I don't even need to put a lot of, these are lemon pepper. I didn't want a lot of salt. The lemon pepper's already tangy. And got a little tang to it. So I didn't need much seasoning, but I had covered them in olive oil. Not too much, just a little bit to fry them. Like, to get them crispy. That did the trick. I think I like these better when they sit overnight because they come out so much more crispier when they sit in there and they're dry. Like all the stuff is absorbed inside the chicken. I don't know. I'm just saying stuff. But yeah, I patted them dry. I dropped it on my leg. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. I'll slow down. That's so cold. Water. I have a coldest water bottle. I need to start using that. I need my flats. I'm dropping everything. It's can't believe how hot they still are. I hate those little veiny parts. It's tricky. I'm sorry if that grosses anybody out, but I cannot eat that part. So I have to pull it out. Oh, this wind is going crazy. It's in the middle of December and it's not even snowing right now. Like, it's just wind. It was so warm yesterday. Well, last night when I went to the store, I was like, why is it so warm out here? I only had a hoodie on. But you gotta be careful with that type of weather because you can get sick. I'm about to eat all the flats. And then in the video, I gotta work on my videos because I don't really have nothing to talk about. A lot of people just like hearing the eating part. These wings are so good. And the person that commented, they're looking a little bland. They're absolutely not. They're full of flavor. I'll have you know. Stop, baby. Stop it. Poor little flats. This is kind of like a drumstick, I think. Anyway, I lied. I'm probably gonna have one of these. Oh, look at this little tiny one.
What is that? What?
I don't know what's going on in there, but when I get up, somebody get in trouble. I really don't like drums. They're good though. They're okay. I guess I'll stick with this one. Oh, still hot. There's no way. There's no way. They're still hot. I literally can see steam. It's crazy. Oh well. Nothing like I've never seen steam before. On my food. I guess I'm so amazed because I never been able to enjoy hot food because by the time I'm finished making dinner and getting the kids together, I lost my appetite. Who else does that? When you sit there and cooking for a lot of people and just slowly lose your appetite from smelling the food all day. Well, lemon pepper. Well, that was good. Whew. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and join the gang. Please like this video, comment. Let me know some more things to put in the air fryer because I am so excited to be using it. I bought so much stuff just to try out that I already had before. Like, I'm gonna try to put some lamb chops in there, some steak. Excuse me. I'm gonna try to just create some different things. Oh my gosh, excuse me. But yeah, let me know in the comments what else to make in the air fryer, some recipe ideas, whatever. But thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that like button. And also you can share this video with friends, family, whoever you can share with. I know it's a lot of foodies out there, so I will get back to you guys in the next video. Peace.